Hello everyone, welcome back to A Taste of Angel Lifestyle. Guess who we have? Our Sheree, our country girl. She's back in the house. And she told y'all guys that she was gonna do what type of egg rolls?
I'm gonna do the best egg rolls money can buy. These right here egg rolls are gonna be so meaty. You got chicken, you got shrimp, and you got some clam inside of them. And I promise you, they're gonna be so yummy to the tummy. Okay, you're gonna need a cup of shrimp. You're gonna need a cup of crab meat, and you're also gonna need a cup of chicken. You're gonna saute all this together until you get it good, and once you get it all cooked up, then I'm gonna mix it with my egg roll stuff. And once I get it mixed, I promise you, it's gonna be so good, Miss Angela.
It smells delicious.
You wait till you taste it.
Okay.
And you notice I'm not putting nothing in it.
I was gonna question you about it.
I rinsed all that stuff, you know, when I'm cooking. I always rinse all my meat in the can.
Yes.
To take all that stuff out.
Yes.
But once I get it all mixed up, oh my goodness. I'm gonna dump all of this right here in this pan right here.
No seasoning.
No, the seasoning itself is in the meat.
Gotcha.
You have to taste the one with the bubble sauce
That's okay, do it on
and the
this.
sage and all, it is so yummy.
So you have done egg rolls with sausage? Okay. Something different.
Yes. Make these egg rolls out. It's getting good and crunchy.
Okay.
Gonna put some egg rolls right here. Gonna take them. And you're gonna roll them.
Yeah, oh, that's pretty. Make a simple salad. Sheree is finished up doing the egg rolls. What I'm going to use here is iceberg lettuce. Let's use some spinach, baby spinach. Some shredded carrots. And let's do some tomatoes. Add some tomatoes, but I like to cut them in half. Some onions. Black pepper. Some salt. Jar. On the shape. We're just gonna add just a little bit. You don't want to drown the salad. Everyone can add a little bit more to it and serve themselves. Okay, Miss Sheree have the egg rolls ready. Sheree, what you got here? They look so
I
nice.
got my fried egg rolls, just like I told you, and you can see how yummy they look.
And also right here, I have like a simple salad. So what we're gonna do, it's lunchtime, so Sheree, let's take this food inside and come out. It looks so good. Guys, we are enjoying our lunch. But you know, we thank you so much for coming back in and enjoying a taste of Eggrolls lifestyle. Sheree have done an awesome job. These egg rolls are, like she said, yummy, 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 delicious. So this right here is so delicious. I want to thank you so much for being a part of my family and Sheree family. And come back, subscribe to this channel. And we just thank you so much. And have an awesome day. God bless you.
See you next week.